Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School online education. This is the class of Standard 1. The lecture of mathematics is going to be started. Here we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. The thought is you know more, you grow more. Again, welcome my dear students. Tell me, how are you all? You all are fine, happy, learning each and every subject? Very good. You all might familiar that our FA3 exam is going to be started. And I hope you all are making preparation well for the examination. Let me inform you about syllabus of FA3 exams. For FA3 exam, you have to prepare chapter number 7, which is subtracting greater numbers. Chapter number 8, measurement. You also have to prepare table of 6 and 7 as well. Let me tell you again that we already have completed chapter number 7, chapter number 8, as well as table of 6 and 7. I hope you all have completed all the things in your maths fair book. If not, then try to complete it as soon as possible. And yes, of course, as we are going to make revision, so make revision with me. Write everything. After that, complete your homework properly and send it to the respective teachers. Revision, chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers. Now everyone, get ready for writing work. Take your book, pencil, everything with you so that you all can write with me. Learning objectives for today. Problem sums. Yes, my dear students, in previous lecture also we make revisit of problem sums of part 1. Today we are going to solve the remaining problem sums. Write the heading everyone. Solve the following word problems. SOLVE, solve, THE, the following word problems. Before you start writing anything, you must write the given heading first. In previous lecture, we solved the problem sums on a theme of a party. Today, we are going to solve the problem sums on the theme of airport. At the airport. Read the stories given below. Decide whether to add or subtract. Put the sign in the box and solve. Here, first of all, we have to read the story or read the given question. After that, we have to decide whether we want to make addition or subtraction in this sum as per the situation given in the sum. We have to put the sign of addition or subtraction also, and after that we have to solve the sum. Sum number 1. 76 people are waiting in line at the airport. I will detect very slowly so that you all can copy with me. More people join them. Full stop. How many people in all? Question mark. Answer. Dash people in all in the line. Everyone, write down with me. 76 people are waiting in line at the airport. More people join them. How many people in all? Answer. Dash people in all in the line. Write the sum. 76 plus 20. In this sum, we are having the sign of addition. In next sums, we have to find out which sign we have to put. But right now, we have the sign of addition over here. That means we have to make addition in this sum. Six plus 0 means 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 96. First of all, everyone write down this answer. Now, on this side where we have made a blank, write the same answer, 96. 96 people in all in the line. 76 people are waiting in line at the airport. 20 more people join them. How many people in all? Answer. 96 people in all in the line. Now look, here we don't have any sign in this box. It is empty. So, first we will write the question. I will detect for you very slowly, and you all have to copy this in your book with me. Sum number 2, 84 bags on the luggage belt. Luggage, luggage. Full stop. "24 bags are picked." Full stop. How many bags are left on the luggage belt? Question mark. Answer. Dash bags are left on the luggage belt. Full stop. This is the question. I hope you all are writing with me. Make sure that your handwritings must be good. Put every punctuation as you can see on the screen. Also, I am trying to describe each and everything. Write the sum 84, 24. Here, make a box like this. 84, prepare a box, 24. Now, my dear students, as we have to decide which sign we have to put in this box, means what we have to do with this sum. Either we have to make addition or subtraction. Think in your mind. What should we do? Addition or subtraction? What do you say? As we have to find out the leftover luggage bags, so we have to make subtraction. Everyone put the sign of subtraction. Now try to solve this sum. Solve it by your own. Make a subtraction of 84 and 24. Four minus 4, we get 0. 8 minus 2, we get 6. First, everyone note down this answer. 84 minus 24, the difference is 60. Move on to this side and write the same answer in the given box. 60 bags are left on the luggage belt. 84 bags on the luggage belt. 24 bags are picked. How many bags are left on the luggage belt? Answer: 60 bags are left on the luggage belt. Sum number 3. "63 people are at the coffee shop. Full stop. COFFE, coffee. "11 leave to catch a flight. Full stop. How many are left in the coffee shop? Question mark. Answer: dash people are left at the coffee shop. Full stop. You all have to write, my dear students, as this is the revision. Now write the sum. 63, 11. Prepare an empty box like this. Why? Because we have to decide what we have to do with this sum. Either we have to make addition or we have to make subtraction. Now everyone read the sum carefully and think in your mind, what should we do? Either we have to make addition or we have to make subtraction. As we have to find out the left person, people at the coffee shop, we have to make subtraction. Yes, my dear students, put the sign of subtraction in this box. Now I am giving you some time to make subtraction by your own. Try to solve this given sum 63 minus 11. Try to solve. After that we are going to solve it. On that time you can compare the answer by your own. Three minus 1. We get 2. When 6 minus 1 we get 5. 63 minus 11 we get 52. First of all, copy the answer properly. Now on this side, in empty box, write the same answer. 52 people are left at the coffee shop. "63 people are at the coffee shop. 11 leave to catch a flight. How many are left in the coffee shop?" Answer: 52 people are left at the coffee shop. Sum number 4. 24 planes land. Full stop. 13 planes take off immediately. Full stop. immediately, immediately. How many planes are still at the airport? Question mark. Answer: dash planes are still at the airport. Full stop. The spelling of airport: AIRPORT, airport. I am giving you some time to copy the question in your book properly. Everyone is writing? Very good. Now write the sum. 24, 13. Prepare an empty box like this: 2 4 24, 1 3 13. Prepare the empty box like this. Now again I am giving you some time for thinking. Look at the screen, everyone, and think in your mind, what should we do with this sum? Either we make addition or we make subtraction. As the question is just in front of you and you all have made copy with me for the same question. So now tell me, what should I do? Addition or subtraction? Let me tell you that as we want to find out still how many planes are remaining at the airport, we should make subtraction. Make a sign of subtraction in this empty box. Now you all know that we have to make subtraction. Let's solve the sum. 4 minus 3, we get 1. As well, 2 minus 1, we get 1. 24 minus 13, we get 11 as a difference. Let's copy the answer in the empty box. 11 planes are still at the airport. I hope you all are writing with me. Is everyone completed? Good. Write down sum number 5. 35 people arrive on one flight. full stop. FLIGHT, flight. "42 people arrive on another flight. Full stop. How many people arrive in all? Question mark. Answer: dash people arrive in all. Full stop. I am waiting for you so that you all can copy the question properly. 35 people arrive on one flight. 42 people arrive on another flight. How many people arrive in all? Copy the question properly, everyone. Now, write the sum. 35 and 42. Prepare an empty box. 35, 42. Now tell me, what should we do? Addition or subtraction? Let me tell you that as we wants to know total how many people arrive in all, so that we have to make an addition in this sum. Put the sign of addition. Now solve the sum. Solve it by your own. 5 plus 2, we get 7 as well. 3 plus 4, we get 7. 35 plus 42 is equal to 77. In this empty box also copy the same answer. 77 people arrive in all. My dear students, this was the revision of problem sums from chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers. I hope you all have completed the revision with me. So my dear students, make practice regarding each and every subject at your home. Stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.